Hey friend, and welcome to my channel. I'm Angelique. So today I'm coming to you with yet another unit from Sensationnel. This one is going to be from the Curls, Kinks & Co. Textured Lace Wig Kinky Edges collection, and it's in the style wide part Kinky Zigzag Curls 14 inch. This is going to be in the color number 2, and here's what the stock card for her is looking like. And this one is going to be available in 5 special colors. For the cap construction on this one, you guys, you are going to get those 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. And this one is also going to come with an adjustable elastic band. First, I'm going to just tint the lace on this bad boy, and then I'm going to slap it on the wig head and give you guys a 360 so you can see what it's looking like. So as you can see on the wig head, this one is going to come with those textured edges. It says it's for curl types 3B to 4C. This one is going to be heat safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The length on this one is going to be 14 inches, and it does have a center 5-inch deep parting space. So first I'm just going to go in and start cutting that lace off. First I go in with my embroidery scissors, cut the lace into smaller sections, and this is just preparing it for when I go in afterwards with my serrated pinking shears. So now I'm just going to go in with my pinking shears and go ahead and cut off the remainder of the lace. Like I said, you guys, this one is going to be a wide part, so it's not going to have the versatility of a full frontal. That's what it's looking like after I've cut the lace off, and now I'm just going to slap this bad boy on my head and get it installed. You guys, for this one, I realized after the fact, like, I really put in minimal work. I actually don't even think that I went in and added any concealer around the perimeter of the lace. I feel like I was able to get away with it, but definitely if I was going to do a second install, I would just make sure I add that additional concealer around the perimeter of the lace. I feel like I was able to kind of get away with it because the curly baby hairs kind of mask the lace anyway. But yeah, I noticed after the fact, I'm like, wait a second, I really just called this bad boy a throw on and go. I slapped this bad boy on my head after I cut the lace off, and I was like, oh, I feel like I'm pretty much good to go. So right now I'm just going in with my foaming mousse because I'm trying to get rid of a little bit of that frizziness and kind of just flatten out the top as well. So for the texture on this one, you guys, if you are somebody who has worked with curly hair before, this is going to be a super coily, very kind of hard yucky texture, if that makes sense. This one isn't soft, and the more that you finger comb it out, you are going to get that frizziness, but the frizziness does make it look natural. Of course, because this is a super tight curl synthetic wig, the more that you finger comb it out, you are going to get tangles, you are going to get shedding. So if you're somebody who doesn't work with curly hair too often, I probably would say stray away from this one because this wouldn't be so beginner friendly if you're not used to working with this sort of texture of hair. Now the density on this one, you guys, it is a lot of hair. I wouldn't even say it's 180% density, it's minimum 200% density. It is a lot of hair. The more that you finger comb this bad boy out, it's gonna grow. I didn't do too much with the curls, but I myself, I love big curly hair, so I kind of know what I'm working with. I kind of know what's to be expected, honestly. So far as the cap size on this one, you guys, I honestly adjusted the adjustable elastic band just a little bit, and it's fitting my head. I was able to wear this one glueless. I was absolutely here for that. So if your head is any bit bigger than mine is about 22 to 22.5 inches in circumference, I probably would stray on the side of caution for sure, just because on the edges I feel like it didn't fully reach, so I kind of just used the hair itself to mask it. Now as far as my cons and pros on this unit, I honestly don't have any cons on it. Like I said, I feel like tangling and shedding is to be expected just because of the fact that it's synthetic and of course the style of it, this kinky coily hair. For my pros, I really like just how natural and effortless it was. I love these curls. I feel like they're very realistic. They did a good job at mimicking that sort of 3B to 4C texture. I love the body, the volume. Like I said, I'm a big hair don't care type girl. So if you're somebody who likes the vibe of a big curly unit, I feel like this one will be for you. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up in any of the colors, honey, and until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.